Welcome back to Ranking Great One Furs. Here we are with the Wild Boar. Alright, first, I don't even know the name of that. I'm pretty sure it's Fabled Ash. So I'm going with it's pretty good, not my favorite, not the best. Brindle, it's way too overhyped. People overhype the Brindle. Personally, Butterscotch, it's really good. They could have done a teensy bit better with it. But let's go ahead and throw this out there. Talk is not good. It's horrible. It looks like a regular boar, and we can all agree with that. This one, I prefer something else, and this one too. And Scorched Smolder, it's okay. Now Stitch and Stripple are my absolute favorite. Next time, we are going to pretty sure something else though.